Hello everyone, this is Jubair Mahmud. I am a data-driven digital marketer. In this video, I am set up Facebook Pixel. So as you know, in my channel, I continuing series called Facebook Pixel setup. So first of all, we will set up Facebook Pixel. Then we will set up Google Tag Manager. Those people who don't know what is Google Tag Manager, I will explain them what is Google Tag Manager, what the benefit you will get from Google Tag Manager. So that is second step, and third step we will set up Facebook Pixel into Google Tag Manager. So we will continuing the first step. For first step, you will have to go in business dashboard. This is my business dashboard, and here you will scroll down and go to the data source. Data source, you will find a subcategory called Pixel. Click this subcategory. This is the Pixel dashboard. You can create and you can manage those pixel who have already created in your business manager. So you will create by a button called add, and here you will find a pop-up. Here you will find the pixel name. You can name the pixel as your business name, as your wish, and another option your website link, so you can paste it here and then you can continue. Most of the businessmen did something wrong. They don't create the Facebook pixel. That is very wrong way to advertisement. They can't find the data source. The people interact with their ads. They can't retarget those kind of people. So that is a very major problem. Track those kind of data. The pixel can help you those kind of way. So the next step, you will find three different options. First one is partner integration, second one is manual integration, and third one is email your developer who have developed your website, and you will send him a email and he will set up Facebook pixel for you. We are setting now the manual integration, and this is the advanced matching option. You are just turn off and turn on this option. It will help to track your data accurately. Advanced matching option is very useful for a marketer. Facebook will track the visitor date of birth, which city they are come from, those kind of data. And now we will confirm that, as you see that our pixel has already created. This is my pixel ID. It is inactive, but we will make it active. So this is our pixel ID. This is our website, WordPress website. As a marketer, you can do like, as a newbie, you can just add a plugin called Facebook Pixel, and then you will give this ID to this plugin that is connected. But here are some inconvenience. You cannot manage it well properly. So that's why my second step is come into the picture. That is Google Tag Manager setup. So Google Tag Manager help to manage those kind of tag in like a middleman, so your website doesn't slow, and you can manage it properly by this platform. This Google Tag Manager is completely free, created by Google. It is very convenient way to track your JavaScript code. You just type Google Tag Manager, you will find a website. This, if you have any account, this will be pop up like this. And if you don't have pop up, you can create an account from this. So this account name, then the country, I am creating this container from Bangladesh. Then I will select my country. Then this is optional option, so you can tick mark as you wish. It is just sharing the data with Google. Then the container name, your website link in there. We will creating this container for web, so you can create this tag manager for iOS application, Android application, AMP server, to track the data from server. So this is very advanced. We will cover it in future video. We are creating for this website. So then you will create. Then the terms and condition agreement will come up. Then you will tick mark the terms and condition. You will press it yes. Okay. The tag manager container is set up. Here we will find the tag manager code. You just paste it in your website head section. But we are a smart data driven digital marketer, so we doesn't connect this tag manager with that way. This is our tag manager ID, unique ID. So we just came our website and go to the plugin section and add new. We just search Google Tag Manager, a plugin. A plugin is a add-on for WordPress, and you will find this plugin. This is the very popular tag manager plugin, and this is developed by Thomas Jaeger. Then you will install it. It will take time, not so much time. You will activate from there. You will find this plugin from the setting, and this is your Google Tag Manager, and this is Google Tag Manager ID box. Then you will just copy this unique ID and you will paste it here. Then we will save it. Our website has a tag manager. You will have to see the Google Tag Manager, Google Tag Assistant, a Chrome extension. You will find it. Then you will enable it and refresh it. This is our tag manager is connected with our website. It is connected. So we have already set up Google Tag Manager. Now this Google Tag Manager connected with my website. Now our second task is complete. Then we will move to our final task. What is Tag Manager Facebook Pixel into Google Tag Manager. So now that is okay. Tag Manager is also firing. It is green line. You will see our Facebook Pixel is inactive. We have to go in template gallery. Template gallery is pre-made template search gallery. To go the search gallery. Now I give a brief about tag manager. Tag is what you are collecting. What is your objective? This is called tag. Trigger when the tag is firing. It is called trigger. Variable, it is your product price will vary each price to each price. So it called variable. So tag trigger variable is the main part of the tag manager. In folder you will organize those kind of tag in folder. So we will find a tag template here. Here the every contributor of this industry will contribute about their plugin and their tag template. So we will search from their Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel. This is Facebook Pixel tag template. Its previous name was Facebook Incubator. Now it is name was change. So you can add to workspace Facebook Pixel. The tag templates is already into our workspace. First we have to set up Facebook page view event. Page view event is just a visitor came into your website and just load the page. The page view event has already created. So this is Facebook page view event. Base pixel also attach into this event. This is for all the page because every window has a page view event. That's why we will set up page view for all event. You will press this section and you will find there are lots of options. This is Facebook Pixel and you will create this. And here it will ask for your pixel ID. We'll press here and make it a variable, constant variable, Facebook Pixel ID. Okay, constant variable. This is the value, and here you will paste your pixel code. You can paste it your pixel ID in here, but we will use this code many times. That's why it needs to be a variable. Then it is a standard event and it is also a page view event. Page view event we will select it here. Then triggering as you will see when it will trigger, it is for all the page. Save this tag and submit it. Facebook Pixel. Without submitting, the tag isn't working, so we have to be sure that the tag is already submitted. This is Facebook Pixel helper. As the work like Google Tag Assistant, it has done the same work. If your website has any pixel, it will find out we are just previewing the Facebook pixel is successfully fired or not. This is the way of the testing the wall tag is firing or not. You just link below your website and continue, then it will pop up with new window. This is a website was loading, tag assistant is connected, and as you see our tag is already fired. The Facebook pixel is working, but somehow the Facebook pixel helper doesn't indicate. Don't worry, it will be okay. It will take time. At the very first stage our pixel is inactive. Now the pixel is active. You see the green button on it, so that indicates that our pixel is active, and it will collect the data, how many people are coming into this space, and our website has collected data how many people are load the website. Every people are going into a different page, it will collect data from the cookies from them. That will help to track the data. So we have successfully set up all the process from this video. The part 2 has been coming very soon, so keep watching my channel. I will come up with another event called view content. Make sure you stay tuned with us. This channel will be value for your time. So that's all for today. I will come up with another brand new video. So tata, goodbye, and take care of yourself. Thank you.